Hello, going to introduce Pickle roll top rucksack to you. Grey blue waxed cotton canvas, front pocket here, it's already been opened, lined with khadi, and you got swing it around the back, got a very large laptop padded pocket at the back so you can pop your laptop in there. You've got the leather adjustable straps, and then around the front again you've got these straps here that are adjustable so you can alter that and then hang your jacket, jumper, whatever you wish on the front there if you want to. Great versatile bag for many uses, work, weekends, kids, whatever you like. And then if we open up the actual main part of the bag, you've got another huge laptop laptop bag, tablets, whatever you wish. I don't know if you can see properly in there. And then you've got another zipped compartment also in there, lined in a lovely pink khadi fabric there. And that is Pickle backpack.